Hello. In this video, I will cover how to install Rocky 10 Linux on the base Mac OS. I'm using UTM for virtualization. I already downloaded the Rocky 10.1 minimal version ISO. So let's get started. Click on create a new virtual machine, virtualize Linux. I gave 2 GB RAM, 2 core CPU. I choose ISO. This size I assign 10 GB. Now the system is booting and it will be ready for installation. First, install Rocky Linux 10 10.1. First option you need to select. It will take some time. Then we will choose keyboard. We will choose language. Wait for some time. Then I will choose English language. Then installation destination 10 GB disk space. File assign hostname. IP address is already assigned from DHCP. I will set enable root account. I will set password of the root. And I want that user root can log in from SSH with password. Begin installation. It will take around 2 minutes, so wait for some time. Total package 357. Yeah. After installation, I will SSH into the system and check some command like df, lsblk to see that is another stuff. Reboot the system, installation completed. Oh sorry, I will power the system on because I need to remove this ISO and again boot the system. Now system will boot from the kernel. Everything is fine. Yeah. Okay, system is up. First I'll try to log in from the shell. Okay, everything is fine. Opening. Check the IP address. I try to SSH from root user. 192.168. Everything looks good. Installation is completed. Thanks.